Audit Commissioner and P3 PWD Party List nominee Rowena Guanzon. Welcome.
Thank you, Gretchen.
And former COMELEC Commissioner, we should add to that list.
When do we call you Congresswoman?
Well,
what's up with that?
By God's grace, I hope not too long.
What are the updates on that, by the way?
Well, we're still in the Supreme Court. Now, ito masaya. Kasi now, the House of Representatives, dati kandara pa sila. Bigay kay BP Sara ng no questions asked, confidential funds. Ngayon, binawi nyo. Siyempre magagalit si Digong sa inyo. Di ba? Uwak-bawi pala kayo eh.
Yung
Pero,
sinabi po ni Presidente.
hero ba kayo? Hero? Ha? Dahil binawi nyo? Dahil nakinig kayo sa taong bayan? Hindi naman eh. Baka naman politika lang yan.
Nabanggit po ni
Hindi po ba? May circular yan. Ang problema po kasi, sa Intel Fund, walang resibo. Yung confidential fund, wala ring resibo. I was mayor also before, and naging COA commissioner pa ako. Alam niyo ba, liquidation ng Intel Fund na yan, ipapasok lang sa sealed envelope, nakalagay sa circular, in sealed envelopes. Pwede ba recipe ng adobo mo, ilagay mo doon, adobong dilaw? Ilagay mo doon sa sealed envelope. Hindi ba yan papasa sa COA? Kasi sealed envelope yan eh. That's what I've been saying, that the Congress, aside from doing the Filipino people a favor, so it speaks, magpasa na kayo ng batas na nililimitan nyo yung confidential fund, zero sa civilian agencies. At ang Intel funds ay may batas na nag-regulate kung paano yan gagastusin.
Senator Sonny Angara was defending the confidential fund of the president, saying that he is the head of state, merong mga bagay na siya lang nakakaalam at nakakakita.
Hindi ko alam kung ano alam niya. Pero
And ma'am, this has been...
Pero I am saying that he is the commander-in-chief and he has all of these intel funds of these military agencies at his disposal. Siguro naiinggit siya kay Digong kasi 4.5 billion si Digong no? Last year. Sabi ni BBM siguro, ba't ako 1.2 billion lang umaangal kayo?
4.5 na rin.
But that's the issue, ma'am. Why now? Why is it just being looked at now, shed to light? Is it the sheer amounts, the sheer audacity?
Alam nyo kasi,
or it's been there for every administration?
Grabe ang mga tao ngayon Kaya bumagsak yung rating nila. Grabe na yung inflation, grabe na ang rising prices. 60% or more of the GDP ang utang. Baka gusto niyo matulad na kayo sa mga mas mahirap pa na bansa sa atin na halos hindi na tayo makabili ng bigas natin. So, in that context, na poor ang country naton, mag-Intel Fund, confidential fund pa kayo na hindi namin alam where you spend it. Napaka-confidential, hindi namin alam. What's up sa Constitution? There has to be accountability and transparency, Gretchen. O saan ang transparency dyan kung sealed envelopes yan? Gusto nila lahat, may confi fund sila kasi parang yun ang kanilang kitty-kitty, di ba?
Hold on, I want to take this chance to correct a misconception though. Confidential funds are audited kasi a lot of people assume that they're unauditable, but they are audited.
Also audited.
Yes,
there is a circular.
They can be audited. It's just that, as you pointed out, the rules
No
on
receipts.
liquidation are unclear.
No receipts are required. It's in the
Correct.
circular. You read it.
So what happens to that sealed envelope? Who gets to read it? Who
The
gets
COA.
to check it?
The
Sila
COA
lang.
auditor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
it's really
in case
them.
of national agencies, the office of the chair of COA has a specific officer there in the rank of director.
If there are further questions, what happens then?
Well, they can disallow it. You see, the COA is the guardian of the funds of the government.
So
they
the buck
can
stops
disallow
with the COA.
it. Yeah, they can disallow it. But tell me, and no offense to COA, it's a professional organization. I was very happy there, and I have a family there. I feel like I'm family up to now. Meron bang confidential fund o Intel fund na disallow? Wala, di ba?
But from a practical perspective, how can we decide on where this money would go? Wouldn't that take
That's
deliberations
the
from the
job.
House?
That's the job of the Congress because it holds
it's going
the
to take
purse.
a whole other
But it
deliberation
holds the purse. Now, why are they
Where
withdrawing
will we
it
put
from
it?
VP Sara? Why are they withdrawing it from all the civilian? All of a sudden, they have a hallelujah. They found the Holy Grail. They're now zero for civilian agencies, and they'll move it to the Coast Guard and military all of a sudden. You know, is there politics there involved? I like that. I like that. But I want it for the right reasons, Mr. Speaker. For the right reasons. That confidential funds should be stopped once and for all. Because we cannot
Across the
afford.
board, across
we
the board.
cannot afford a single million, a single peso in confidential funds that are most likely going to be in the pockets of public officials. Because, again, there is no transparency, and the regulations for liquidation is very vague. Regulations are vague. So why bother? Let's go to the
Why
root of the
bother?
problem. Why even appropriate confidential funds to civilian agencies when they are not needed?
And it's also
They're not a
just
necessity.
these departments that
Oh.
were mentioned. Nasa LGU din eh.
The
Extraordinary
House
funds.
said they didn't. The House, diba, has been accused of having confi funds as well, and they said, no, you don't have confi funds. They're
They have
called extraordinary
funds.
expenses.
Well,
Please help us understand what extraordinary expenses are.
well, I think that's the funds that they use for entertaining, foreign guests, things like that. That's you look at the extraordinary funds. It's probably going to have a lot of receipts for restaurants.
Oh.
No, okay. Not
So,
security.
extraordinary funds, but not security, because security will have its own fund. And in the budget, it should have a line item, di ba? That was the controversy. But there was no line item, zero. And then, the House said the VP can have confidential funds because it's in the heading. But then somebody said, no, it has to be in the item. No. But then now they turn around and say, no one na. They binawi nila kay VP Sara ang confidential fund. Eh, syempre magagalit, di ba? Syempre magagalit si Digong sa inyo, o ano. Merese, kung sa Ilonggo pa.
I was reading Yusek Magno's Twitter account the other day, and she was unearthing a lot of documents. She was saying the earliest mention of a confidential fund was during Magsaysay's time, and it was a private fund raised as a reward against
Hook
hook
balahap.
leaders. And it seems like Marcos Sr. started the confidential fund as we know it. And there's a document that she posted that confidential funds were used to finance Imelda Marcos's travels. And she said CFs breed corruption. What do you know about that?
Well, she's USEC of Finance formerly, so she has evidence. I mean, they probably had vouchers or notes, and I believe her. I believe her.
This document stated
Yeah, Shelo Magno
1981.
from the UP School of Economics.
Ay, so, nakita napanood niyo yung sinabi ni Guanzon, dating former kuwayan. Diba? Hindi siya uto-uto. Hindi siya, at saka abogado siya. Summa cum laude. Magna o summa cum laude. Oo, di ba? Ibig sabihin, yung mga nasa kongreso, yung mga naniniwala dyan, laban kay BP, mga uto-uto pala. Mga uto-uto. Ayun, napanood niyo yan. Di ba? Oh. Kaya, yung impeach, complaint laban kay Sara, wala, hindi ubra yan. Hindi ubra. At saka, sabi ni Marcolita, ang pupurol ng utak niyo. Ang pupurol ng utak niyo. Si Marcolita na mismo nagsabi niyan. At saka si Guanzon, hindi siya oto-oto. Kung sino man yung nang uto at nagpa-uto, pare-parehas kayong mga tanga. Totoo yan. Sige guys, ito. Mayroon ba akong ipapakita niyo sa video? Sige guys.